Oh, hey! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Janelle, also known as KraziiCurls on Instagram. Make sure that you hit that follow button on there, but also subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the bell just so that you know every time I make a video. Today, I will be doing something different. If you do want a tutorial on this big messy bun, the link will be down on the description box, okay? So the purpose of this video will be to get to know me a little bit, get to know my hair, get to know some of the methods that I choose, and if you're confused, just keep watching. So to answer the first question, mostly my curls are 3B, 3C, but I definitely have some 4A in my hair. So I have a mix of all three up in here, okay? I don't really like to type so much because everybody's hair is different. Not everyone's hair is going to fit into the mold of a 2A, 2B, 2C, you know, all the way to 4s. Now, for question number 2, who's your current hair inspiration? I would say there's several lovely women who inspire me. Naturally LA, my curly girlfriend who tagged me into this post, and which is why I'm making this video. She inspires me more so because her twist outs are bomb. I've tried a twist out once before and I had good results, but her twist outs are just amazing. Her flat twists are spectacular. Janay, I hope I'm saying it right, because she's always trying something different. She's so creative. I love her perspective. I love how she wears her curls, her fro, how she does different things like a wig and extensions, and she just makes everything look beautiful. And I love that because it just inspires me to continue to push my limits. And I'm always stepping out of my comfort zone and I like to try different things. So honestly, whenever I see her make a post, I'm like, I love that. Let me see what I got up in here and make it work. Low porosity or high porosity? Low porosity all the way. My hair needs moisture all the time. My hair is dry. My hair takes a long time to get wet in the shower. My hair needs a lot of maintenance, you know, to keep it healthy, to keep it moisturized. Let me tell you. But if you watch my videos on my channel, you'll see and know how I keep my hair moisturized and styled it and all that good stuff. So subscribe. Anyways, deep conditioners, thick or slippery? I say thick or a little bit of both if possible. I love thick products. My hair loves thick products. If it's slippery, that's fine, but it really needs to have that oomph in the products so that my hair can just soak it all up. Twist outs or braid outs? I have to say that right now, twist outs, hands down. Now when my hair was long before I started my journey and my hair was tailbone length, it was a braid out. The braids were just so long and it was just, oof, I loved it. But now that my hair is shorter, twist outs, they're just so bomb. I love it. I've mastered it and it's just like so beautiful to me. They're both lovely, yes, but right now, at this stage, twist outs. Wash and go or rod set? I would say a wash and go. A wash and go is challenging because it takes all day and you have to apply the products a certain way. At least for me, I have to apply the products a certain way. I have to have enough water and a whole bunch of other stuff in it. Watch my videos and see how I style my hair. But I would just say wash and goes because I love how it grows by the day and then I can just convert it into whatever curly hairstyle that I want. Shower or sink? Shower. I haven't tried washing my hair in the sink before, and even if I'm not technically in the shower, I bent over, you know, on the tub and I wash my hair that way. So I would say shower up until the day I try washing my hair in the sink. Air dry or diffuse? Air dry, hands down. I tried diffusing one time and it took more than 45 minutes for me to dry my hair and it wasn't even dry. I gave up. I never give up on doing anything, but I gave up in that situation. Team air dry, that's it. Will I ever try diffusing? Maybe, possibly. If I have a lot of time on my hands, sure, why not? But guys, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Are you team air dry or are you team diffuse? What do you guys prefer? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Fleeky edges or as they are? Fleeky edges. I've worn my hair as they are, and I don't mind that at all. But I tend to slay my edges all the time when I style my hair. So it's personal preference. If you don't like to do your edges, that's okay. But I definitely like to do mine. Deep conditioners or oils? Ooh, that's tough. Can I choose both? I don't know. This is hard. Deep conditioners or oils, they're both so amazing. They're both amazing. They both do something so great. When my scalp is itchy, I grab some oils and do a nice little scalp massage. When my hair starts to feel dry midweek, I grab the oil. Boom. I don't have to worry about jumping in the shower, shampooing my hair and deep condition, because that's how I deep condition. Shampoo first and then I deep condition. I love deep conditioning my hair because it just gives it all that moisture that it needs. Like, boom. Especially when I add heat with my heat cap. I'm gonna say deep conditioning. I love oils, they're great, but I feel like if I have an amazing deep conditioner in my hair prior to styling, the whole week that my hair is styled, my hair will thank me. If I skip deep conditioning, my hair will rebel against me, and I can tell it's drier, it's just a hot mess. It may not look like a hot mess, but it's a hot mess. So deep conditioning. High bun or low bun? High bun. I live for the high buns. Like, this is high. It can be higher, but I love high buns. I like low buns because they're sophisticated, but I love me a high bun. Bantu knots or finger coils? I would definitely say Bantu knots because finger coiling takes such a long time. I have a lot of hair. I've done it before. I like how it can be, you know, a protective style because you can style it, leave it in your hair. But I really don't like the takedown of finger coils. I feel like my hair is just tangled and it's just a process of taking them down, you know, just like it's a process for putting them in your hair. So I will say Bantu knots. Protective styles in the summer or the winter? Okay, hold on. I would say protective styles for the winter because, you know, your hair is drier. At least my hair gets really dry in the winter. It loses all that moisture and stuff because of the cold weather. It's my hair, that's how it works. But if you're going on vacation, rock a protective style. If you're going out of the country to go have fun, you know, relax, be cute, the last thing you want to do is deal with your hair. Curls, no curls, fro, no fro, protective style. Because that week, 2 weeks, a month, you don't have to worry about dealing with your hair. You can just style and yourself and be cute, do your makeup or no makeup, team natural, whatever you like. But I would say definitely protective styling if you're going on vacation. Bonnets or scarves? Bonnets. Bonnets all day. I love wearing scarves when, satin scarves to be specific. I like to wear my scarf when I have braids or like a slick back look, just to keep, you know, the frizz down. But even when I go to sleep and I have braids, I like to throw on my bonnet just to secure it. Now this bonnet, I've had this bonnet for a while and I love it. It's big, it's jumbo size to be specific. It's satin lined, it's from Raynestorm. I'll leave her link down below. These bonnets, they don't come off. And then the elastic right here is just amazing. This ain't sponsored. Personal opinion. If I had to choose one or the other, I would definitely say bonnets. just because braids, no braids, slick back look, or wash and go, whatever style I have, bonnet. A bonnet this size or bigger, you're good to go. It doesn't come off. Anyways. Wide tooth comb or detangling brush? Wide tooth comb. I've had several detangling brushes and I like the wide tooth comb. I feel like it just does the job, and if I want to make sure all the tangles are out, then I go over it with my wet detangler. The wet detangler works fine, but I love the wide tooth comb. Finger detangling or a brush? Brush. I like finger detangling as like a pre-poo, like the day before. I like to go into my hair, you know, separate it into sections and then go in slowly and finger detangle if I have time, but most of the time I don't, to be honest. So I just use my brush. To be specific, my wide tooth comb. Let me not say brush because you guys are gonna be like, wait a minute. T-shirt or microfiber towel? T-shirt, definitely. I love my cotton t-shirt, just a regular cotton t-shirt. You don't have to go buy no expensive stuff. I have a microfiber towel, but I don't like it as much. If I had to compare it, hands down, a t-shirt. Gel or no gel? No gel. I don't really like to use gel in my hair. If I do use gel, it would be when I really want definition, specifically for like a wash and go. If I really want it to last, yes, but I like creams better. And if I do use a gel, it would be to lay my edges. Length or health? Health. Me, I'll insert some pictures. My hair was tailbone length. Let me tell you guys, it was so long. But my natural hair came up to like here, and then everything else was just damaged. So damaged from like heat, from chemicals. I used to do relaxers and keratin treatments. So eventually I cut it, and now my actual hair is past my bra strap length, and I cut it a year ago. So the fact that my hair has grown so much in a year, I'm in awe. But if I had to choose, definitely health. I'd rather have my hair looking healthy and, you know, moisturized and all that good stuff than to have hair that's super duper long and damaged and flat. And no. Health always. Because let me tell you something, if your hair is super healthy, or let's just say healthy, if you have healthy hair, your hair will automatically grow. So you will have two instead of just one. Side part or middle part? I love both. If I had to choose one in specific, I would say middle part. I just like the way the middle part looks. I do like the side part sometimes. It gives it a vibe, more volume on one side. But since my hair really grows by the day and I have a lot of hair, I do get a lot of volume regardless. But if I had to choose one, I would say middle part. Plastic cap or plastic bag? Plastic bag. If you guys see my videos, like if you actually look and watch my videos, you will see that I never have a plastic cap. I always have a plastic bag. They're just always there. Why am I going to waste money on a plastic cap when I can just use a plastic bag? Everybody goes grocery shopping. That's free. It works just the same. Disposable. Boom. So definitely a plastic bag. And that's it. That's the last question. I really hope that you guys sit down and enjoy this video. I hope that you guys get a feel for what I like, and I hope that you feel like you know me a little more. If you guys like this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell just so that you guys know again when I upload my next video. You want to know when I upload my next video because you don't know what I'm going to upload. So I like to keep it random, spontaneous, as you guys should already know by watching my videos and, you know, just scrolling through. I like to do different hairstyles and stuff like that. So again, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, what did you like more? If you agree, let me know. If you disagree, let me know and tell me why. So follow me on Instagram and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.